Hey there guys, welcome back to Wonder Off-Road. Well, today we're going to head up to Toyo Tires Trailpass event over here, guys. We just came out here last year. It was a great event, really small. It was really fun because you get to hang out with a lot of great people, see a lot of cool things. It's kind of like a mini Overland Expo West, just like very small though. But it's great though to just hang out though and meet some cool people, guys. And that's what we love coming out here to do, guys. Just coming out and hanging out with our good friends the whole time. But hey guys, if you like Wonder Off-Road, hey, do me a big favor, guys. Please hit that like button and subscribe. Share with your friends, share with your family, so that way I can bring you more content just like this one, guys. I know I should do the video on this last year, but Toyo Tires Trailpass is really fun. It's like a mini Overland Expo West. Alright guys, we're in now. Let's try to find our friends, see where they parked at, because well, they got here last night, I get here today. But let's find a parking spot, guys, and let's see what's going on. Where can they be? My cell phone sucks with this word. Thank you. Ooh, too good to hear. They over yonder. Double back.
Okay, I got the tank kind of level-ish, but let's go. This is a big pro of this tent right here. Oh, that's not... I got caught. Oh, there he goes. Okay, so we're checking this out right now. This is a little walk all the way over to the show. Granted, this is a small show this year. This is a fun one because it's like a mini Overland Expo. Get everyone camped out all over. Let's walk in. We're just walking in right now. Probably gonna have to cut the audio on this one. A lot of music being played. So.
Now the great part with this event, it is a free event. You do sign up online, but that's just so you can sign the waiver and let them know you're going to be attending their awesome event. So if you guys want to come, check it out. Toyo Tires Trailpass. Hope you guys can come next year. But when you are here though, there's a lot of great vendors, variety of everything from tires to floor mats and much more for you guys to check out though. Guys, definitely, you know, this is one of the events I do like coming. It's a local event in Southern California. So if you are in the area next September, check them out. But get signed up early because this one, actually, they ran out of spots this year for people to come and join. But hey, early bird gets the worm, guys. So check them out. Toyo Tires Trailpass.
These ones. Nice.
Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'd say as we get older, you know, our toys get bigger. But sometimes it's nice to have a small version of the big version. Especially because I can do stuff that I probably would never do with my big version with this guy. Now, what do you guys think? Should I buy myself a little RC Toyota Land Cruiser and kit it out to look like my Toyota? Leave your comments in the description and down below, guys, so I know what you guys think. Me, this was a little addicting. I don't know, man. Felt like a kid, you know, playing with these RC cars. But hey, that's the fun part about this event. There's a lot of cool different vendors that you guys can see what they have. Like this vendor, they do RC cars where you can also make the miniature versions of your own off-roading vehicle, complete with working lights and winches and so many different accessories you guys can get them. So I don't know, guys. I'm tempted on this one. I'm thinking I might do it. Of course, I don't know. Maybe I might need to take some driving lessons. All right, need a recovery on this one already.
Okay,
but
we gotta
no worries though.
Help it out a little bit.
Typically the way I use my vehicle. I love it so much.
So that was the event right there. We just walked around a little bit. It's not that much to see. Like I said, it's like a mini overland expo. So let's walk around and hang out with some friends.
Now, another fun part about this, they do have a raffle. They give away a lot of great prizes from a lot of vendors that do attend this event. You can win anything from tires to a bunch of different off-roading accessories, to camping accessories. I didn't win.
Okay, guys, so bad news. We did not win anything at the raffle. But it's a little bit, it's all right though. We still had fun. They did give away a lot of good items this year. So we're definitely gonna come back next year and hopefully win then. Well, anyways, let's go make some dinner, guys. All right, guys, we get to ride along in another 80. It's cleaner than ours. This is a lot cleaner than mine. You just had mine. Like, yeah, dude, yours is like... Spot big? All right, guys, time for some dinner now. We're gonna make some bratwurst and some with onions and bell pepper. A lot of onions for one person. With the bell pepper later. Alright, let's go ahead and light this guy. Our fire is lit. There we go. A little bit of oil. Here's our Brought Vision, brought to you by Wonder Off Road. All right, let's get some. All right, guys. So it's almost bedtime for us, but let me show you guys around real quick. Let me show you what our campus does tonight. Turn this around. We got our 8-calorie diesel heater. Nice hot air into our tent. We come back around. We got our toilet tent set up right there for the overnights. And we can come up over here into the tent. We're gonna climb up our ladder. So here's inside our awesome tent, guys, tonight. A nice comfy sleep. Got the diesel heater pumps some nice hot air in here. It's getting hot even with the windows open, so I wonder how it's gonna be when I close it up in a little bit. Alright, guys. Well, guys, that's gonna do it for us tonight. We're gonna catch you guys in the morning. We'll see you guys next. Alright, guys, good morning. Well, welcome to my camp, you guys, and yeah. Let me show you guys around that with this for more daylight. There's everything else set up. Everyone's comfy. We're a little cozy in this spot. Don't we all fit? Here's my setup, of course, so you guys see it better now. Oh, but hey, let's get some breakfast going. That's what really gets. Because there's one guy online I was watching. He got 20. There's a lot of when I order it. All I have to do is just. Yeah. Oh, no, scrambled it. No, because I'm making a burrito. Yeah, well, I'm saying the Fort Queens. Yeah, downtown Vegas. Yeah, Fremont Street. I like being down in Fremont. Okay. I'll try it out. You know where we should go, bro? Hearty Grill. Yeah, it's where the waitresses dress up as nurses, and if you don't finish your food, they paddle your ass. Or if it's your birthday, they paddle your ass. But if you're over 350 pounds, I know, I'm just shy of that one. You have a general idea. Oh, I've learned too. Like, actually, when I did Toyota stuff at Echo, we did great. But that's because it was a brand new Toyota. Burrito time. Ah, crap, I just failed epically. You said I... Failing epically, I'm going to take this burrito off. Oh no, that's more sausage. Breakfast served. Alright guys, that's it for us right now. We're gonna get headed out of here. But hey guys, I hope you guys like this content. If you do, please consider like, comment, and subscribing. Share this with your friends, your family. There's gonna be more content just like this.